Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're rushing to study for exams, managing a part-time job, or just don't have enough time, this video is going to help you big time. I'll show you how to turn your syllabus into clear, ready-to-use notes using Gemini AI and Google's NotebookLM. Just copy your syllabus, let Gemini do the deep research with examples, tables, and sources. Copy the syllabus directly from your docs. Paste the text into Gemini AI for further processing. Select Gemini 2.0 Flash Mode. Once it is done, instruct Gemini to prepare notes for the above topics, and click on the deep research. Gemini will first create a main points for your notes. Give it a quick look over and edit if necessary to fix any issues or add your own insights. If everything looks good, click Start Research. Gemini will then generate your notes. Also note that if your information is extensive, it might take 10 to 15 minutes to generate the report. Gemini claims to have researched across 524 websites to prepare your notes. Once complete, open the generated notes to check that the points align with your expectations. It even creates tables, example-type problems, and solutions appear automatically. Don't forget to verify the references at the end of the notes. Click on Export Docs in above right corner to further download the docs. Download the document, in your preferred format, to your device. Open Google NotebookLM. Create a new notebook and upload the PDF report you generated with Gemini. You can also upload your existing notes. But, if your notes are in PPT format, convert them into PDF first. Once the PDF is uploaded, NotebookLM will automatically generate a brief summary. Explore features like the Audio Overview, which creates an AI-generated conversation in podcast style between two voices discussing your notes. This is really helpful for auditory learners.
You're tuning in for another deep dive, and today we're really getting into forward and futures derivatives. Think of this as your shortcut to understanding these really crucial financial tools.
Yeah, we've gone through a lot of material, the theory, the trading mechanics, how they're actually used.
Exactly. We've sifted through it all to bring you the essentials.
Depending on the length of your notes, audio files may run from 10 minutes to over an hour. If you have handwritten problem and you don't know to solve, click a photo and upload it in ChatGPT and extract the text from it. Paste this text into NotebookLM and ask it to solve similar problems or to generate a step-by-step solution. You will get answer for the problem with explanation. Click on the Study Guide button for a focused, guided learning experience. Use the Brief Docs button for a concise summary. Use FAQ button to see a list of frequently asked questions and answers derived from your content. Click on Timeline option to generate a structured list of significant events in order. Create a visual mind map of your notes by clicking the Mind Map button. It will create charts of your notes, and you will be able to expand the chart by clicking that arrow-like icons. If you have PPT-type notes and you wanted to upload it in NotebookLM, you will first have to convert the PPT file to PDF, and then upload it to NotebookLM. And that's it. With Gemini AI and NotebookLM, you can turn your notes into smart, ready-to-use study material in minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study hacks and tech tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want me to cover something else in the next video. Thanks for watching, and all the best for your studies. See you in the next one.